friends, it's Rose here. Welcome to my devlog series for my fantasy RPG video game, Raindrop Chronicles Roots and Rumours. In this devlog, I'm going to show you how I created the day and night cycle that you've just seen in Unity. But first, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/RaindropRPG. By being a Patreon supporter, you will be supporting my game dev dreams and helping me to continue bringing the world of Raindrop Chronicles to life. Thank you so much to Mr. Radu, Fantasia and the Car Audio Guy for being VIP Patreons, and my other patrons for believing in me and Raindrop Chronicles. Creating a day and night cycle is actually not quite as hard as one might think, especially with the approach I've taken, which involves using no code. As you can see here, I have the animation tab open, and that's because I'm using animation to make my day and night cycle work. I just found doing it this way so much quicker and easier than coding it, and it looks really smooth too. All you have to do is add anything you wish to change during the day and night cycle right here. For me, that is the shadow direction and rotation, light intensity and strength, as well as the weight of this colour filter I've set. The user interface for the time is very basic at the moment. It's just text with a very simple script that makes the time progress at a certain speed. Right now, I'm not sure if I will show or hide the UI. I haven't yet decided if the day and night cycle will be a continuous dynamic one, with a clock and calendar like in games such as Skyrim and Stardew Valley. I do love the idea of having a day and night cycle like that. There's just something about them that makes a game feel more immersive. But I won't rule out going for the more simple time of day route that is strictly controlled by the plot, like in the classic Final Fantasy games. This is something I'll decide on a little bit later in development. It's too early right now to know which one is the most suitable for the game, and whether certain plot points will require the game to be a certain time or day. They may or may not, so I won't be setting my heart on anything just yet. Thank you for watching this devlog. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And join the Discord if you haven't already. All links are in the description below. See you next time.